Oh man, this is a Camaro RS bumper with the fog lights? Easy $200 right here. Today we're gonna try to find out how many parts I can get here at Central Florida Pick and Pay for only $200 or less. Worst that could happen to me here today is I got an hour here and I could walk out either with a shopping cart full of stuff or empty-handed. Let's find out. See here, we got a Nissan Frontier. Just looking for whatever's laying around. Maybe we find something that we need. Got me a timing gear. It's perfect. It's got no nicks in it or anything. These go for like 200 bucks on Amazon. It's gotta be cheaper here. Find out. Oh, that bumper looks sweet. Hold on, I gotta try something different now. Gonna see if I can pull this out with my hands. Got me a whole bumper. These are separate though. I don't want those. Nope. Oh man. This red truck. Oh man, they already took the dash cluster. Brother. We got a key. Wow. They had a tiger in there. Typical. See, in this situation, this is what happens in the junkyard. Sometimes, not all the time. We got parts like this laying around and we can't really get to what we need. So in this situation, I need the trunk lid. I can't really get to the trunk lid. I'm not gonna try to. I'm not gonna try to hurt myself. You guys can already see the issue. Better look next time. Keep looking though. Oh nah. Oh nah. No. No, who told them this was okay? That's not okay. That is horrible. Can't get to this hood. I also don't know how to open a CTS hood. Oh, this is a STS, my bad. There we go. Wow. Hood strut gone. Can't even fix that. I couldn't take anything off of this if I wanted to. It doesn't have the V8 and it doesn't have the seat track. Next car. Brother. Look at this Oldsmobile. Wow. I didn't even know these were still on the road. What are the chances? Still almost fully intact. Got a nice little cup holder down there. I don't think, this may be too old for me to open the trunk. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to the trunk liner here. You want a flower? It's already been a few cars. Haven't been able to take out much. But let's see what we got here. Oh, perfect. It's already pre-popped off for me. God, I love the junkyard. All four of them. Those right there are your coil ignition with the coil packs. I know in most places they do charge you per coil pack, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the situation here, but that's fine because we are at a junkyard. We really went through a lot of cars today and we, got to see what they have and didn't have. In this case, most of them in my situation didn't have, but we got a bumper, we got a timing gear, and we got some coil packs, and let's see, maybe this Buick right here can do us some justice for the final of the hour. Oh yeah, this is good enough for me. Owner's manual. Oh, perfect. This is perfect. Right here. CD radio. This is perfect. This one should be around $25, but I know on Amazon that they go for like hundreds, sometimes more. I bought one just like that off of Amazon and it came out to 325 bucks. And that was before the shipping. I'm gonna take this. This is mine now. I got a light. I don't know how much it costs, but we're gonna find out, guys. That's why we're here. Oh, it's hot. Oh man. This is a Camaro RS bumper with the fog lights. Oh, and it's not broken either. Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna have to do a swap right here. I'll come back for you. But that right there, That is an easy money maker. Easy $200 right here. Boom. Still intact, barely even scratched or anything. Man, that's beautiful. Perfect, perfect. Now I'll come back for that Nissan bumper. Almost there, and now let's find out how much exactly I'm gonna be checking out today here at Central Florida Pick and Pay. If I can get this through the door. She might be too big. Hello. How you doing today? Oh yeah. Perfect, I appreciate that. So I ended up getting everything I needed here and more at Central Florida Pick and Pay. I got a bumper, one bumper that I didn't intend on getting. I intended on getting a Nissan bumper for a customer, but ended up getting this, and now I'm gonna be able to get that other bumper too, just because this is very valuable right here. I'm gonna end up reselling all of these parts as a third party right here. This part right here is gonna cost us anywhere from $120 to $200 online. So I'd say $219 is a very reasonable price for all of these parts here at Central Florida Pick and Pay. And if you enjoyed me pulling out these parts today, if you enjoyed me goofing around in the yard for an hour, spending $200, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment what you guys want to see next. Do you guys want to see me hit a $500 mark next? Do you guys want to see me pull a motor? What do you guys want to see? Leave a comment, let me know. And now if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go get a burrito with some of that flip money. Enjoy the rest of your day while I go get that burrito.